Choosing your niche on Fiverr can be so stressful, especially if you have no work experience. There are millions of different possibilities. Breaking into your field of expertise can also be difficult because there will be many people offering the same gig. What you must do is distinguish yourself. Convince consumers why you do what you do best. Are you remarkable at logo designing, brochure design, and flyers design? Prove it with your portfolio. If you want ideas, check out the displays below. These gigs were a great success on Fiverr, with corporate owners living decently as their results became more profitable. Do not hesitate to start with Fiverr because you feel the competition is high. Look at the ideas of the Fiverr gig proposed below and twist it to distinguish yourself. 1. Virtual assistant. Today, virtual assistants are no longer just virtual personnel who assist you organize your schedule and reply to your emails. Freelancers are specializing in specific areas like e-commerce, marketing, and accounting. Fiverr is a great platform to work as a virtual assistant. 2. Social media manager. Social media management is one of the most important ways for a company to stand out and meet a broader public in today's world. Any brand which wants to become a leader in the industry must have an active presence in the main social networks, Facebook, LinkedIn, or beyond. If you know how to get an audience involved and make them feel good, if you are interested in creating and managing a brand's voice entirely, it is your job to become a social media manager. 3. Logo designer. Each company must have a logo. The brand identity of your company is essential to your business success. Now is the best time to look into such a profession if you've ever considered becoming a logo designer. Since high-quality logo designers in digital marketing are essential. 4. Resume and cover letter. The market for freelance resume writers is constantly high due to the unemployment rate. A freelance writer helps job seekers turn their repetitive, outdated resumes into well-planned marketing methods to demonstrate their expertise and experience. Writing resumes for individuals gives you the chance to help them get a job and earn money for their writing skills. Do you not know where to start? You can find free samples online. 5. Illustrator. It is commissioned for illustrators to create original designs for journals, books, magazines, and packaging. Working as an illustrator is a successful way to communicate through pictures with your creative art and design skills. Freelance marketplaces such as Fiverr can be a valuable platform to find work as an example. Anyone with a lot of skill can demonstrate their talents, communicate with customers can earn a lot on a deal on Fiverr. 6. Content writer. The internet is available on website pages. Someone must write this material. That is why content writers are highly sought after. The future is bright for content writers all over the world. 7. Digital marketing. You support businesses to sell goods and services online as a professional digital marketer. Your task is to meet your customers' target audience and take them to your customer's website to convert them. Digital marketers are on the internet all over the world. They connect with online groups, engage in discussions on LinkedIn, excellent post content on Facebook. 8. Voiceover. Brilliant ideas require great voiceovers. For various reasons, like phone recordings, virtual replies, or video generation, voice talent may be required. Anyone with a computer and a good mic may become a narrator or a voice artist. 9. Whiteboard animation video. Creating animated videos among marketers and small business owners have become very common. Research findings after research indicate that animation is a perfect way to attract, capture and communicate the message. Anyone can make fantastic animation regardless of their technical or design abilities, through various video animation software alternatives. 10. Game development. The demand for games is increasing every day. It won't be easy at the beginning to work as a freelance developer. The first area you need to look into to do is to build your game portfolio. It's time to start making one if you have none. And note, even if you think that it's not stunning, launch your game. 11. Graphics with Canva. The demand for graphics designers with excellent design skills increases daily, with goods and services mainly dependent on catchy design to attract their customers. Everyone can design free of charge with Canva. To create beautiful designs and pictures, you don't need to be a graphic designer or a Photoshop pro. You can make real digital art in a short time. 12. Website tester. Many websites and app owners need user testing for usability and vulnerabilities on their websites. You don't want to annoy your clients with your website, because you know this is one of the biggest reasons people click the back button and search for a more friendly website. 13. Translation services. You will find freelancers on Fiverr to do almost any work whatsoever. Translating is, however, one of the most common on the web. You must be an outstanding writer, have excellent grammar, and know the various writing styles in your native language to excel as a freelance translator. 14. Sales funnel creator. Everybody with an online company has to build a sales funnel to turn visitors into paying customers. One of the most relevant business principles to be aware of is how to create a sales funnel. You can learn how to build sales funnel via udemy.com. 15. WordPress Designer. It is a perfect time to learn how to build a WordPress website. More businesses than ever invest their money in developing creativity relating to WordPress in every website design niche. On Fiverr, the service is highly in demand. Thanks for watching. See you soon.